Hi, today is Tuesday, February 27th, 2018, and today we found out officially from NuTone that the NM series of NuTone Intercom Systems has been discontinued. There are no more NM100 master stations. There are no more NM200 master stations in either white or biscuit. There are no chime modules available. They're rapidly running out of door speakers and other accessories. I imagine that there'll be a selection of remote stations and things available for a while until they wholesale them out to some distributor at a low price to get rid of them. I was told this morning that whatever master stations they have left in inventory have been put aside and reserved in case there are any warranty obligations on units sold up through the last 2 years. But as of today, a distributor cannot order NM master stations and many of the associated parts of the NM series intercom systems. And while this is always a disturbing and upsetting time for folks, you don't have to worry because Northside Service is going to have your back. What you're looking at here on the workbench, this is an impromptu video. I felt that it was important to make this morning and get it published for people who may find this out and be looking for answers. This is part of a small part of what we've accumulated over the last 8 or 9 months as part of our NM Intercom Series repair initiative. And we've been slowly and steadily collecting complete master stations. These are not new ones. These are all broken ones. Everything you see here is reported to be broken in some way or another. And it's necessary to have broken units because the initiative with the NM series is to learn how to and be able to repair them. So we've been slowly collecting equipment over the last 8 or 9 months, and we have a variety of master stations, all broken in some way or another, both NM100s and NM200s, and we have so far a nice array of circuit board assemblies out of NM100s and NM200s. In the coming weeks and months, there'll be a series of videos where we start to go through these boards and figure out what goes wrong with them, what it takes to fix them, and we'll work really hard on that, so repairing these will become as natural and normal around here as rebuilding an IM3003 or an IMA3303 or any of the other real NuTone intercoms that NuTone has ever made. The reason I said real NuTone intercoms is because the NM series is not for us hardcore long-time NuTone service centers and distributors. The NM series is not actually a real NuTone intercom. Some of you may know this, some of you may not, but it's fairly widely known, I think at this point, with most people, that the NM series is a rebranded and rebadged version of the Music and Sound DMC series. So a Music and Sound DMC1 is the same as a NuTone NM200, and the Music and Sound DMC 3-4 is the same as an NM100. And Music and Sound and NuTone are both owned by the same parent company, and NuTone, these are not real NuTone intercoms. These are actually Music and Sound intercoms. And the DMC series, I don't remember precisely, I have it somewhere in my records, but originally they came out back around 2003 or 2004. So they're quite an old model at this point. So I'm not going to go on and on and on about all that and start getting into great details. That's not really the point of this video. The point of this video is that the NM series is dead. It's done. It's over and done with. Now, supposedly, rumor has it, we'll have new intercom models sometime, hopefully in the near future, but there's no detailed or confirmed information about that. So as of today, who really knows? We don't really know what the future brings. If you have a job that's roughed in for an NM series, you won't be able to get it from NuTone, so you better start looking at secondary sources. I checked around this morning, and a few of the largest distributors of NuTone Intercom Systems have already put on their websites that it says they'll be discontinued soon, and prices are bound to go up and availability is bound to drop. The way things are discontinued nowadays, by the time the notice comes out, there's virtually no inventory left at the warehouses for NuTone, and I assume it's the same for music and sound. So these are going to be hard to come by, and if you have projects that are roughed in, better get it now while you still can. Anyway, that's all for today. The NM series is dead. Long live the NM series. How about that? I hope you found this interesting and helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up on YouTube. This is your news flash for the morning. If you like our videos and like our channel, there'll be a banner right here. It shows you how to subscribe. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell or on the wheel in the banner, put in your email address, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification so you can watch it. We appreciate it. See you on the next video, and watch for our multi-part upcoming NM series initiative repair videos. See ya.